Hi everyone, my name is Germain Simon. I work for L-Acoustics. I'm in charge of product and technology communication. L-Acoustics is a company that is very well known for touring products, something that we've really focused on for the last 20 years and more. But more and more installation projects are getting into our hands, and we've decided to develop a whole range of installation-specific products. And that's actually our very first amplified controller for installations. LA2Xi is an economical solution as well as a flexible solution to power, drive, and control the smallest of our loudspeakers. It's actually designed to control within 4 outputs, LX4i, the small loudspeakers, 5XTs, as many as 16 per amplified controller. You can also use the 4 output channels to drive larger loudspeakers at a lower SPL capability for application that doesn't require high SPL. But what's very interesting about LA2Xi is that you can take those 4 output channels, and bridge them into either a 3 output channel, a 2 output channel, or a single output channel amplified controller delivering as much as 2550 watts and capable of driving our biggest subwoofer like the KS28, for instance. So, because it's an installation-specific amplified controller, it's fitted with installation features like terminal connectors on the back panel, a very streamlined front panel with no screen, but with 3 stages LED lights. You also get 4 user-assignable GPIOs, as well as a 24-volt backup power supply for the DSP card. So the 4x4 amplified controller comes in AES, analog, but as well as AVB, and through the 2 Ethernet ports you can do Milan certification. It's a Milan certified product, and you can do Milan redundancy network so that you know exactly that your sound will be transmitted at the right moment, exactly at the right time. Even if there is an issue on your primary network, it will automatically switch on the secondary network. So that's kind of the global overview of this product, very specifically made for installation purposes and reducing any cost in terms of amplification channel for that matter. And that's it about LA2Xi. If you want to know more, visit our website, www.lacoustics.com.